Welcome back, guys. So real quick, today I'm at the auto shop place. I'm trying to see if I can get a alignment done, because ever since I lowered the car in the front, it's been giving me like problems. Like when I'm driving, if the wheel turns, it stay turned. I think it's a nice tuck in the front, and there's also a nice tuck in the back. But man, when I turn and the wheel just does not follow my pattern, like it doesn't stay with me. And it's been bothering me for a while now. So I said, you know what? Today I'm just gonna go and see if I can get this resolved. So what I am doing today is I'm at an auto tire place to see if I can get the front of the car aligned. But it is at a nice height to it. It's clean. And then after I leave here, I'm gonna see if I can head over to the junkyard, and I want to see if I can get the Integra. I don't know, any Integra, rear and front disc brakes. It will be an upgrade on this S model Del Sol. Yeah, right now it's running. Look at the clearance on the mud flaps. It's kind of low to the ground. I might raise it a hair in the front, but who knows? I might not even raise it at all. But man, if you look here, this clearance is really close. There's barely any clearance here. It's like maybe 2 fingers. And it's the same thing on the other side. Like if you look here, there's barely any clearance. With just 2 fingers. But I like how it looks. I think it's pretty clean, and it's not that bad. But I just got to get the alignment done. Once I get the alignment done today, I'm gonna head over to the junkyard and see if I can get the suspension. Cross your fingers. The woes of getting an alignment done, I had to take off my front bumper, which is right here on the ground, until they can do the alignment. Now they're saying that the front of the car is too low. I don't think it is, but that's the front of the car. So let's get it in and get the alignment done. Real quick, guys. So since I'm at the auto place, I decided that I'm gonna do some modifications to the Del Sol. I want to get rid of the AC in the Del Sol. The AC doesn't work. It never worked since I got the car. I don't really care for the AC like that. I want to see if I can build, I don't know, a track car in a way. I think I want the Del Sol to be a track car. I've been planning on doing some things with the Del Sol for a while now. I've been kind of doing all the bolt-ons, cheap parts from eBay. I don't really care. Amazon, things like that. Just to get the Del Sol to at least somewhat okay status, to where if I drive it fast, I won't have an issue with cornering and braking and that sort of thing. So I realized that I want to do a small weight reduction to the Del Sol. I want to get rid of all of the AC components, take all of that stuff out of there. I don't need no AC in that car. I rarely ever use that car for AC purposes. I do have a daily driver, which is my TSX, and the Del Sol is really like my weekend car. So I don't think I'll drive the Del Sol if it's raining. And I don't really care for the AC that much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything in the engine bay that relates to the AC. So since I'm here at the mechanic, I'm just going to remove, or ask them to remove, the refrigerant from the AC system. So that way I can just disconnect those cables and whatnot, just to clear up some space in that engine bay so that the engine could be a lot cooler than it is now or currently. dog.